In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make and keep resolutions so that they stick. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. If that's something you like to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in this video, my last video of 2020, I wanted to do a video that helped a lot of people. And the topic that I chose is resolutions. And there is a formula to this, and I've made a presentation for it. You're going to want to stay till the end. There's 5 steps to this formula. You're going to want to see all these 5 steps at the end. And I also have another edition of trend credits at the end of this video. So lots to do in this video. Hopefully this is really helpful for you as we begin the new year. You can also look back on this throughout the year as you make new goals and resolutions. So I've prepared a presentation. Let's go into that presentation now. So here we are at the start of my presentation, how to make resolutions that stick. These are 5 steps that I've used personally in the last couple years, and they've helped me a lot in making my goals stick. And I just wanted to share them with you. I'm also going to show you how I do it myself. I'm going to do these 5 steps with you in this video so you can see what I mean and how I use it. So the first step is mindset, and this is the biggest, most important step that you're going to have to do. The mindset is so important, how you think and why. Why are you doing this goal? Why are you making this resolution? So think about this. If your why is big enough, you will do anything. If there was a 2x4 that was long enough and strong enough to connect between these 2 buildings, would you walk across it? Well, most of us wouldn't walk across it. But if our why was big enough, then we would. Would we walk across it for 10 bucks? Probably not. Would we walk across it if someone had a gun to our head? That would make it so much different. So you can see here how important the why is. If the why is strong, then you would do anything. So we got to get this why correct. So what I'm trying to say is your why, your purpose, must be bigger than your excuses. Let me show you what I mean. Now, there's a lot of other stronger reasons why, but the point is your reason has to be strong. So let's look at this. If the excuse is TV and this is versus I want to look good, which are you going to choose? Well, maybe you're like, well, I like TV. I already look okay. I don't need to look good, or I already have enough money. I'll just watch TV instead. So let's look at the stronger whys. So for example, I need to lose weight or I could die. Dying versus playing video games, I think dying is a lot stronger, right? At some point, of course, you need to sleep, but could you do with less sleep so that you can provide a home for your family? Of course you would, right? So you're gonna need these really strong whys, because excuses will come up and you need strong whys so that you will keep going. This will fuel your determination to keep going, your strong whys. So let me show you an example of my why that I wrote. So personally, I want to make all my money online so that my family can have security and freedom to live anywhere, right? With the recent pandemic, we don't know how things are going to happen. And I want to have the security so that I can do more for my family. So this why is a lot stronger than just saying, I just want a few extra bucks, right? So usually strong whys tie to somebody else besides yourself. So if you're gonna do something for your family or for your friend or for your children, those are usually really strong whys. And the reason I think those are stronger is because you're now being accountable for somebody else. So not to say all strong whys have to be tied to somebody else, but usually they are. So this is mindset, very important. Your purpose, your why you're doing things. This will set the foundation for a good resolution and will help you keep it and make it stick. So after you got your mindset right and you've made your purpose and your why, your really strong why, now is the time to make your resolution. Don't do your resolution before that. The why needs to come first, then the resolution. Now I wrote down here SMART resolution, and SMART is an acronym. You may have seen this before. S-M-A-R-T, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Okay, so these are the kinds of resolutions you should make. Let me show you an example of regular resolutions and smart resolutions. So here are examples of typical resolutions and smart resolutions. So the typical resolutions are kind of like this. I want to lose weight. Very generic, very broad, not how much weight, when. I want more money. How much more money? By when? It doesn't have that. So look at these smart resolutions. I want to go to the gym 2 days a week for 6 months. It's very specific. It's measurable. 2 days a week. I can track that. It's attainable. It's not every day. It's only 2 days a week. Hopefully I can do that. You need to know yourself if you can do that. It is relevant. It's something I want to do because I want to be healthy. So going to the gym will help me do that. And it's time-based. 6 months. I'm going to see if I can do it for 6 months. There's an end to it. So that's how you do smart resolutions. That's something you can track and know if you actually hit the goal. So my smart resolution that I'm going to do in 2021 is this. I will upload at least 3 YouTube videos a week in 2021 so that I can get 300 total videos by 2022. Is it specific? Yes, it's specific. Is it measurable? Yes, I can see if there's 3 videos a week. Is it attainable? Yes, I've uploaded more than 3 videos a week at a time, so I know I can do 3 videos a week in 2021. Is it related? Yes, it's related to the goal because I want to grow my YouTube channel, and this will help me grow my YouTube channel. And is it time-based? Yes, my end goal is by the next year, by the end of 2021, I'm going to have 300 total videos. And the way I got 300 is I already know how many I have. Uploading about 3 a week or a little bit more, just pushing it, I will get to 300 if I do 3 a week. So it is something that I'm going for and it's attainable. So this is my SMART goal. You can use the SMART goals or SMART resolutions, that acronym, to make your goals. So the third thing is consistency. You're going to have to be consistent in doing what your goal said. One thing you may have heard of is the 21-90 rule. And the 21-90 rule states it takes 21 days to create a habit and 90 days to create a lifestyle. So you're going to want to track these things that you're doing for at least 21 days. You can use a journal like you see here on the right to track it. You can use anything. I suggest using a calendar. These calendars are really easy to find on the internet. You can just print it out, and if it's January 1st, write down, uploaded video or went to the gym or whatever. So just keep track this way. So other things you may want to do besides just keeping track to help you be consistent is to remove obstacles. So for instance, if your goal is to eat healthier, hide the bad snacks. Those are obstacles. So hide them away and make the good snacks easy to get to. So things like that. Just remove the obstacles. Any obstacles that you may have, remove them. So by removing the obstacles, you're making your goal a little easier to achieve, and that will really help you be more consistent. The next thing you want to do is build in triggers. So what I mean by build in triggers is to do things that will help you remember to do what you need to do. For example, put your work clothes out the night before for the gym so that when you wake up, you see it right there and it's not an obstacle to try and get everything ready. You're ready to go. So that's a trigger like, yes, I need to go. So maybe before I eat breakfast, I'm going to do this. Or after I get up, I'm going to do this. So those are triggers that you can trick yourself or help yourself do the thing that you need to do, and over a while it will become a habit. So what I do personally, I have one of these sticky week things on my computer. You can see that's my iMac right there, and I have it there for the whole week, and I write down my goals or write down what I did the day before. So this is really helpful for me because when I get up and look at my computer, I can see, yes, I need to keep track of this. Yes, I need to do this. So that's how I do it personally. So consistency is important, but it's okay if you miss a day. You can make it up later. Remember, your end goal is still attainable if you miss a day. Don't fall into the trap of, oh, I missed a day, I quit, I'm done. So these resolutions are like marathons. You need to keep going and be consistent to get to the end goal. So the fourth thing to help you with your resolutions are little rewards. So you need to reward yourself as you do some of these tasks. So here's some ways you can reward yourself. After 21 days of working out, you could get yourself a new outfit. If you uploaded 30 videos, maybe get yourself a new microphone. Uploaded 50 designs, maybe go out to dinner. Now, these rewards don't have to cost anything, so here's some ways to reward yourself with free things. 21 days of working out, maybe post a tweet to your friends. Uploaded 30 videos, post a video about it on YouTube. Uploaded 50 designs, maybe do a movie marathon with Netflix that you already have. So the rewards don't have to be big rewards. This is why they're little rewards, and they can be free. So you're rewarding yourself just to give yourself a boost, like, yay, I did it, let's keep going. So you're basically being your own cheerleader at this point. So Pretty Merch and Merch by Amazon kind of work together to give you these rewards. You can see here it says, congratulations, you've tiered up to tier 100. So these are like little rewards when you reach a different level. This is free. It comes on Pretty Merch, but it really helps because it's like, yes, I did it. I want to get to the next one. So these little rewards help trick your brain to keep you going, kind of gamifying the whole thing so that you will continue to do more and more and be more consistent. So one of the things that I'm going to do personally to reward myself is when I hit 100 videos on YouTube, I will send out a YouTube post. This is completely free, but I will be able to say, yay, I did it, and kind of reward myself by doing that. So that's my way I'm going to do a little reward. Think about how you can reward yourself and have little rewards as you hit different milestones in your resolutions throughout the year. And this will help you in your overall goal. And step number 5 is evaluate. You're going to want to check up on yourself constantly to see if you're going in the right direction, if there's anything you need to change, get some feedback from yourself and from your results. So after 3 months, you could check, is 2 days a week working? Should I up it to 3 or should I pull it down to 1? So you also can adjust. So maybe I have time to do 3 times a week. Maybe I should do 8,000 a year instead of 10,000. Maybe I should learn how to play show tunes instead of pop music. So just look at where you are and where you're going and adjust. As you go on this journey, as you change and try and hit your resolutions, you're going to learn some things that will help you, and you will learn some things that maybe you can do better or take away. So always look and adjust, and so that you can still get to the goal or maybe even adjust that goal. It's fine. So as long as you're progressing to something, that would be great. So here's what I did on YouTube. I noticed my short videos were doing really well, so I'm going to add them to the rotation now. So here are all the 5 steps again. Let's go over them really quick. Number 1 and most important is mindset. You got to get that why correct. This has to be a really strong why. Your purpose has to be really strong, or else when the excuses come, and they will throughout the year, if you don't have a strong enough why, you will stop. So your why has to be stronger than any excuses that come up. So once you get that why, that mindset, then it's time to start making those resolutions. Make sure your resolutions are SMART resolutions. They are specific, they're measurable, they're attainable, they're relevant, and they're time-based. So make sure they have all of those. And third, consistency. Make sure that you are continually doing the things that you need to do week over week, because it's consistency that will get you success. It's consistency that will get you to that end goal that you want. And then 4, little rewards along the way to help you remember what you're doing and to kind of motivate you, kind of be your own cheerleader, gamify this system so that you can get to your goal. And then 5th is evaluate along the way as well, kind of adjust if you need to, and then you'll eventually get there. So those are the 5 steps that will help you make and keep resolutions when you need to. That is it for this video. Thanks so much for following along. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you do any of these steps, or if there are any steps that you do that I missed here that helps you with your resolutions and goals. And now it's time for another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for staying to the end for this Trend Credits. Here's your trend. Do not disturb, I'm gaming. You can see here some low BSRs, 273,385, So some low BSRs here. The gaming niche is just a big niche that has lots of sub niches in it. So this is one of them. We'll check here. Merch Informer, do not disturb on gaming. It's getting an A. If you don't have Merch Informer, I have it in the description here, but you can see an A is a great score, so you know it's good. Go ahead and do this one or any other gaming sub niche. It's huge right now. Of course, more and more people are gaming with the pandemic as they're staying home. I think a lot of people are trying to catch up, and they've probably got a lot of new games for Christmas, so more gaming stuff. So that is the trend for this video. Do not disturb, I'm gaming. Thanks so much for staying to the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I will see you on the next one.